Hey, hello, in front of me I've got a very cool Ferrari F40 in a 1/64 scale from the brand Artwork Stance Hunters, the Legend series. It comes with an opening part, as you can see. And this is actually my first F40 from this brand. Here we got the back of the package. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Okay, now let's take it out. Very well packed. Good protection. A lot of protection foam, okay. There we go. We also have something right here. Not sure what that is. Okay. Can we take it out? No. Okay. No problem. One finger here. That's one. And that's two. I have to say, it looks really good. When the first models of this F40 came out, I was a little bit skeptic, but the engine also looks very nice, very well done. Wider tires in the back, and we can see it has rolling wheels. Doesn't roll that easy. Nice what they did with the red seats in the interior. Nice rims also, I see. Ooh, front wheels are also spinning. I see something that looks like a brake claw and a brake disc. Same here in the back. We got a metal base. I like that. Nice profile on the tires. And a silver exhaust tip. No, this is really well done. Yeah, Ferrari logo there on top. We got lanced lights with some black lines around it. I like that. And a green, white, red stripe here on top of the hood and the roof. But I'm most surprised about the details from the engine. Those are looking fantastic. Yeah, not sure what this is for. Maybe you can leave a comment to tell me what this is. Okay, let's put it right here. I think I have to be careful with this. Okay. Yes, got a little bit warm hands. I just came from the gym, so I'm still a little bit steamy. Sorry for that. Okay, we got lanced headlights right here. Headlights, rear lights. Okay, let's see if it's a good fit. Yeah, that fits very well. Oh, this is definitely a must-have. I like this F40 a lot. Now, I do have a couple of more F40s. I'm going to get them from upstairs. So I'm back in a sec and we can do some compare. So here I've got three other F40s. This is one from PGM. This is one from PGM, the winter version with the snow tracks. And this, for me, this is the one and only, or the one and only, but still the best F40 casting in diecast world. This is the one from Tomica. It comes with an opening port here in the front, and it comes with an opening port here in the back. It's also very good details on the engine. So for me, oh yeah, and also very good rolling wheels, also red seats in the interior. Yeah, this is still my favorite F40 casting. Also, if you look at the rims, very original. And I believe this one is also available in different colors, black, yellow. By the way, I've ordered 2 more F40s. One from Inno64, a Christmas edition. That should be arriving in January 2024, of course. So that will be for next year, or maybe I do a review in January. And also one from Tarmac, a yellow one. Okay, this is the winter version from PGM with the snow change on it. I really like that, and some accessories on the roof. Yeah, this one also has an opening part here in the front. Did a review about this one, so you can look it up. And it is based on an existing F40. There is a YouTube video of it, and I believe I put a link to that video in the review of this particular F40. Really cool looking model. And the doors can also open, if I'm right. Yeah, I'm right. Let's have a look. So, and you can see all the details inside. Some colored details, the pedals, the poke for shifting gear. So yeah, definitely a very good model, but also a very expensive. Yeah, we got the other one from a PGM. I believe this is the deluxe version. So you can see we got spinning wheels, brake disc, no brake claw, and the back tires are spinning. Not so good. By the way, metal base. Also for this one, metal base. And also for the one from Tomica. Yeah, I believe so. And this one also has an opening part here in the back. And we even have some seat belts here on the seats. So yeah, definitely a very cool model. This is one of my most expensive cars I have in 164. Not cheap. Does it have steering wheels? No. Okay, these look very much the same. I put them next together. I think I have to, no. First we're going to take a look at the back. So yes, pretty much the same. I think the one from Stench Hunters is a little bit wider. Well, it looks that way. Let's see how we can do this. So. Oh. No, I think the size is pretty much the same. Okay, if you want to know where I bought this model, I will leave a link in the description where I bought it. So thanks for watching. Please thumbs up. You really helped me with that. And I'll see you next time. Bye.